Good morning. So here we are in Windora. Had a bit of a fun night last night. There was some yabby races going on, raising money for the local community school. Still all about putting money into these communities out here, which is a great thing. So today we're heading to Bendori. This is going to be our longest and most remote drive of the whole trip. And then from there we'll head down to Birdsville. So it'll be a big day. Hopefully all goes well, because we've had a few carnage over the last few days. So fingers crossed. Let's hit the road. Long drive for a drought. It's all about raising money for these Aussie farmers that have done it tough through Drought Angels. This is the Land Cruiser community all over, isn't it?
That's right. Absolutely, mate. Yep.
What the Drought Angels gave to us over the drought was just absolutely amazing.
Epic journey. Right, it's starting to get pretty remote out here. The best thing is travelling with a convoy. Any issues, any breakdowns, we're all here together. So, but hopefully all those issues are behind us. The last few days have been pretty brutal on a whole lot of different vehicles. We've had blown main seals, busted harmonic balances, a couple blown head gaskets, a whole lot of wheel cylinders, driveline nuts coming off, squeaky belts, they're a good one. People getting towed in because they've run out of fuel, that's a good one, just top it back up. But yeah, it's pretty remote out here, and to do it alone would be a little bit dodgy. Got a fantastic convoy. We're going to hit the road again pretty soon. Where we are, Jack is the master fire lighter. Righto, day 6 of Long Drive for a Drought. This is a pretty exciting day because it's a very short run, about 200 k's, only 10 k's of dirt, and we're going to Birdsville. This is our final destination. We've got Big Red going on, Birdsville races. It's all happening, so it's going to be an exciting day and hopefully a pretty restful day. So anyway, let's hit the road with these crew.
Yesterday was the longest case we've done and it was the quickest.
Tough day for us yesterday, sitting in an air-conditioned Prado.
The things you got to do, you know, you get it done though.
Yeah, well, good job, Aliyah. Fantastic acting.
That's all right, So what do you got planned for the day, you reckon?
How are you going to swing it?
Too cold. Anyone got a heater?
Righto, we're back on the road now. Aliyah gave me a bit of a scare yesterday. A little bit of heat stroke.
Good morning all, and have a great day over and out.
Gave me a bit of scare, but we got it rehydrated, spent a few hours in a brand new Toyota Prado, and feeling a lot better today, aren't you, bub? Yeah, it's good. Anyway, we're heading for our final destination, as we've already said, to Birdsville, only a couple 100 k's down the road. Hot?
Hot. Holy. I can't touch that. Holy.
What do you reckon, champ?
Yeah, no, this is beautiful. I've never seen one like this before. It was hotter than I expected. Burned me hand. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely recommend it.
Special little spots like this in the middle of nowhere, eh?
Gorgeous, yeah. Yep. You wouldn't know it.
That's hotter than the water in my radiator.
Right, we're going to get scientific here.
Yeah, like the old plumber over here.
73, 74, 75 degrees.
Bit hot for a bath.
What is it, Chapo?
Yeah, 75.2, mate, or I don't know, 1.5 million Fahrenheit if you,
That is hot.
for those of you playing at home.
Straight from the centre of the earth. Well, we better go. We've been left behind. They're leaving us behind.
Hot. That is still stinking hot.
How is it, Ali?
Hot.
Status update.
Oh, baby. It's not cold. This is buster plugger sort of material right here.
You've lost your plugger, haven't you?
They're buried. Hang on. Yeah.
Saved.
I can sleep at night now. That's so good. Oh yeah.
Where are we, Aliyah?
Birdsville.
Birdsville. Yes. So we've finally made our final destination. A couple days here. We'll refuel. And I think we're going to head out to Big Red.
3 cars coming up behind me now. Don't know whether I'll be able to hold them back here, over.
Righto, we're going to hit Big Red.
Copy, Harley.
Temperature gauge is through the roof. Oil pressure is low.
Copy, Jason.
Harmonic balancer is welded on. Copy, mate.
Down, I was wondering when you're coming up.
Next.
Very good news, nice up here this afternoon.
Righto, so we'll give it a crack. We're going to go high second.
Okay, next long drive for track car.
easy.
And the heat's good.
Keep going, got it, we got it. You old beast, yes!
Amazing what a tune-up will do.
Richard is using all momentum to get up this hill. Come on, Richard! Oh! Here comes Mark. He's had 3 attempts at this. He's going flat stick. Come on, boy, come on. Oh, I can hear it bobbing down already. I've got an idea. Go up to the top, reverse down, and then I'll film it and we'll play it in reverse.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, cool. There you go, wait. Off-track lines, Troopy is taking a very different approach to pretty much everyone that's come up. Everyone's using a lot of speed and momentum. Off-track lines has dropped his tyre pressure to 8 psi. Sounds like he's picked first gear and he's just taking it easy.
Pressure down, mate. While everyone else is pumping up. Because like if I have a daughter with a broken nose, oh no. A nose is nothing.
Righto, here comes slow lane.